It is currently Tuesday around 7 a.m. and I'm going to demonstrate what the heater is doing to start nonstop. I've actually tried running this for about 20 minutes and it doesn't work. I thought, hey, I should take a video of this. So you can see the remote. Go ahead and turn it on. Can you see the temperature at 16? That's generally what we keep it at if we're turning it on at all. Just knock the chill out of the room. So you'll see it light up. So it puts a lot of gas in there to get it started. You heard it start there with the click. There, it's trying to relight again. And it's running. Just keep clicking, eventually it'll kick off. This is not hot yet. I mean, it never gets hot. We haven't even had a chance to warm up before it kicks off again. There it goes. Pretty standard. Actually took longer than normal. Then you hear it gas up again. And restart. And just goes through this process in cycles over and over and over. It never stops. There, you can get it click again, it's just going to keep doing that. And then it'll kick off again, probably the next minute. I'm going to go ahead and shut the video off because there's no point to show you more of that. It's the same thing over and over and over.